Hi, Sai Ram, Shreya Yadav, Anusha. Is it my voice is audible to you? Can you use the chat box? Zoom chat box. Say yes, it is. If I am audible to you. Hmm. Right. So, what is the course you joined here, ma? Course content. So, course software testing, course content, right? Software testing. The other name, this one, popular name is testing tools. What is it for testing tools? Okay. Now, let me explain the topics which we are going to cover. First, a teaching plan, then we go for the subject, right? In this course, we'll have the two modules are there. Module 1. This is first module is manual testing. First module is manual testing. So, what we discuss here in the manual testing. So, 80% of manual testing is theoretical orientation, all about the learning testing related vocabulary, all about the testing related vocabulary, right? Now, but here, even though you don't have the any programming knowledge or you are new to the IT related course, you don't worry, I will going to explain from the scratch basics to advanced level concepts we are going to discuss. So where I have the more than 18 plus years of experience to take the classes. Okay, so it's not 1 or 2 years or 5 years. I have the more than 18 plus years of experience I have now in this software testing. Different tools I worked from the my career beginning days. Windrunner is the tool. After that, QTP or EFT. After that, Selenium, Playwright, Tosca. These are the various tools. So I have the right now. I'm working as a project manager in one company. Okay, right. So in manual testing, so what are the concepts we are going to discuss? First concept here, introduction to software testing. In this introduction to software testing, I will explain what is software testing, why we have to go for software testing. So, what is the difference among the error, defect, bug, and failure? Some of the major activities in software company, such as what is meaning of coding, testing, debugging. What is the difference between testing and debugging? Bug fixing. These things we are going to discuss. After that, I will go and explain to you what is manual testing, what is an automation testing. Once you this topic is completed for us, this chapter is completed for us, you will get the clarity. As a you are looking job, you are looking for a software testing job. So you will get the clarity that so what type of skill set required to you, where you need to update yourself. That clarity first you are going to get. That is the introduction to software test where I given it is. Second thing, introduction to software. So here, what is meaning of software program? What is software? What is the difference between product based software and project based software? product-based software and project-based software. So what are the different kind of environments are there for a project? What are the different kind of environments are there for a project? Right now. Then what is the application software? What is the meaning of system software? So these things detail way we are going to discuss. After this introduction to software, I will go and explain in organization level in the real time what is the procedure will be followed to develop the software. That is software development life cycle. That is SDLC. Software development life cycle. After this, we go for the SDLC methodologies or models. Like we have the waterfall model. Second one is V model. Third one is Agile Scrum methodology. Agile Scrum methodology. These are the different methodologies we have. Next one, testing levels in SDLC. So what are the different kind of testing levels we have? So after this, we'll go for the one more concept here, testing methodologies. Testing methodologies. Like first one is white box testing. Second one is black box testing. Third one is gray box testing. The testing methodologies we have. After that, we go for testing levels. So what are the different kind of testing levels are there? First one is called unit testing. Second one is integration testing. Third one is system testing. Fourth one is user acceptance test or acceptance test also we are going to call. Sima, each testing will have the some subtests here. If I go for the integration testing, the subtests are so Big Bang approach, incremental approach, top-down approach, bottom-up approach, hybrid or sandwich approach. These are the integration testing subtests. Same way, if I go for the system testing, here also we have the some subtests are there. So what are the subtests are there here? So like functionality testing, graphical user interface testing, usability testing, recovery testing, performance testing. Like this, we have the different kind of testing. The testing levels we have. Testing levels. So if I go for the user acceptance test, what are the things are there here? Alpha test, beta test. So the different kind of testing levels we have. Next one more. Some miscellaneous testing techniques we are going to discuss. such as retesting. Second one is regression testing, retesting, regression testing, smoke test, and sanity test, informal testing techniques. So when you see these are the topics, new things where we are going to discuss it is learning, exploring about the subject it is. Right, that's what vocabulary first are learning. What is the meaning of this? Okay, like head hoc testing, exploratory testing, head hoc testing, exploratory testing, then risk or priority based testing. We have the mutation testing. We have the mutation testing, localization testing. Okay, like this. Internationalization testing is there, right? So like this, there's the different kind of testing related vocabulary you are going to get up to this portion. So there are a lot of questions can be asked interview point. Do you know this kind of testing? So do you know the retesting? Do you know the regression testing? Like that, where they are going to ask you in interview's point of view. After this, where we have the practical orientation session, there is software testing life cycle. This is STLC we are going to call software testing life cycle. The first one is here how to design test plan. How do you prepare the test plan document? Then test design. In this test design, we are going to discuss about use case document. Test case and design techniques. To prepare the test cases, which techniques are going to use? Types of test cases. Types of test cases. So I will going to explain to you in a real time how do you derive the test cases. By providing the project related documents, I will going to explain to you. Test data preparation. Using RTM, requirements traceability matrix. Using RTM like this. After this, see, these are all the things we have to do in the company house. There is a practical. We are going to see these all the activities. Yeah. test execution levels, defect management. What is about defect management? So like a defect identification, defect reporting. In the real time, how do you go for the defect submission process? Defect submission process. Go like this. Bug life cycle. Test closure activity. Test closure activity. Then next one, software testing principles. Software testing principles. That is a complete manual testing portion. Once that manual testing portion completed, where we are going to discuss about the interview-oriented session. Assignment done, manual testing. So these are the topics which we are going to cover. So this manual testing portion for us, it will take around the 20 days is going to take. So manual testing portion. After the manual testing portion completed, where I am going to start the automation testing. The automation testing, second module it is. Okay, module 2. This is completely practical orientation. So here I will go and explain to you. One tool Jira. What is the purpose? It is used for defect reporting purpose. Second one is Selenium WebDriver, or in simple we call as WebDriver. It is a functionality testing tool. Okay, here Java concepts will be explained, and Selenium WebDriver also will be explained to you. Okay. Now, this automation testing, it will take around 30 to 35 days. Okay. This is about the course content. So if I go for the automation testing, you are saying that it is completely practical orientation, but we don't have the software. How to install it is, from where to download these things, you may have a doubt. These things, okay. software I will go and explain during the automation testing time. I will go and explain to you. So which software we have to download, how to set up the Selenium environment in our computer so that you can do the better practice it is. So practice is an important one. Okay. So yeah, daily you have to practice. Daily some examples will be discussed. Those you have to practice it is. Sir, what about the notes? We will have the session on Monday too. Classes will be Monday to Friday. We'll have the classes. So 5 days a week more we have the sessions. Then class timings 7 to 8 p.m. IST. 7 to 8 p.m. we have the classes here. So class notes will be shared in WhatsApp group. Every day, whatever topics we covered, the corresponding notes I'm going to share in the WhatsApp group. And also, recorded sessions also will be provided to you. So Google Drive link, I will going to share the recording sessions. So my manager is going to provide the Google Drive link where daily classes they are going to upload. From there you can take. So this is what the my teaching plan. It is how I want to take your class. Okay, this is the course content it is. So subject I will go and explain to you in tomorrow's session. Try to use the same link to join the tomorrow session. Okay, tomorrow continue. If you have any doubt, let me know that I will go to clarify your doubt. The course is very simple, much. It's not difficult. Only 1 hour commitment. So you need to give 1 hour commitment for the classes to attend. Another 1 hour you commitment for the practice purpose. Okay, that's manual testing. 40 minutes reading is sufficient. Automation testing is practical orientation. 1 hour minimum required. Okay. Yeah, PDF also I will send. Any doubts are there? Okay. So tomorrow onwards we will going to start the subject. Okay, use the same link to join the meeting. I'm stopping the session today. Tomorrow continue the session. Okay. Okay then. Bye. See you tomorrow.